Hey everybody, it's CalviNNatioN here, and I'm going to bring you a new tutorial. This one is called the triple flip, and it should look like this. So for this move, you are going to be holding it in a normal grip with your with the safe handle against your palm, bite handle facing down. From here you're going to start this move like an any old upward swing opening like this, but instead of landing where I did right there, you're going to let the bite handle pass through your wrist, and from there you're going to let the bite handle come back up with the momentum you've gained and let it pass through the wrist one more time, and then from there you're just going to continue this motion and catch it in a normal grip. So you're doing two and a half flips to land in an open position. So again, bite handle down, safe handle against the palm, let the bite handle go down, let it pass through the wrist, let it pass through the wrist again, flag the thumb to get ready for the catch, and then swing it up into that valley your fourth fingers again. And you can do this move to close it too. You would start, you would have to turn it over from where you last landed to here, and you would again just swing the handle like you would upward swing opening, but again you're just going to let that pass through the wrist, pass through the wrist again, and then swing up to catch. And there you go, that's the move, and it should look like this.